Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to Life of Indian Mom in Singapore. Today I'm sharing tea time snacks with you all. So first of all, for khasta namkeen we will take 200 gram all purpose flour or maida. Then we will add one by one half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ajwain or carom seeds, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoon oil. Mix it properly with your hands and then knead it with less amount of water in order to make slightly hard dough. Put a damp cloth and rest dough for about half an hour, and after that knead it again and make around 7 to 8 small balls. Now for greasing, we need to put 2 teaspoon of oil or ghee and 2 teaspoon of maida. Mix properly to make smooth paste. Now roll first 3 chapatis, thin and bigger in size. After that, spread greasy paste on over the chapati and then put another chapati on it. Again put greasy paste and spread it. On top put third chapati. Roll it little bit. Then tightly roll it into folding manner and then cut it into around 1 inches and then gently press from middle and give shapes to corner too. Follow same procedure to rest of the balls too, and then deep fry these khasta namkeen until it golden brown. And here our khasta namkeens are ready to serve with hot tea. Our second tea time snack recipe is potato stuffed bread pakora. So for that stuffing, first of all we will take 3 to 4 medium sized potatoes. Boil it and then peel it off, then mashed it properly. After that add half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon dry mango powder, then 1 small green chili cut and put into, and then small amount of coriander leaves cut and put into the mixture. Then mix all properly. After that, take any white bread slice and cut into 2 pieces diagonally and keep aside. Now preparing besan or gram flour batter. For that, take 200 gram besan, add 1/4 teaspoon carom seeds or ajwain seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon salt or as per your taste, little bit crushed kasuri methi, pinch of baking soda. Mix it properly with small amount of water to make smooth paste. Now add potato filling into the sliced bread. And then these filled potato bread slice coat into this besan batter properly, then deep fried it medium to high flame. Flame should be higher side only, otherwise it will suck too much oil. So here our bread pakoras are ready for serve. Serve it with green coriander mint chutney and with tea. Hope you like my video. If so, please thumbs up. And if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. Will be see you in my another more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.